Man, I really fucking hate Princess Bubblegum. She is a fucking bitch. Wait a minute, I know. I will grill her and make her into a meal. Ha 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 ha. Now time to light the grill. There, now it's lit. Now let's sit down and wait a few minutes. Perfect. Now time to eat her. Damn, that was delicious.
For kids troll. How freaking dare you grill Princess Bubblegum, make her into a meal, and consume her. That's it. You're getting a punishment.
No, Dad, please no more beatings. I already have enough bruises.
Well, that's just too fucking bad. You're getting a beating whether you like it or not. Now get in the house. Now.